Hello, this is our next exercise 14.3. It is totally based on this rotational symmetry that we have previously done. Exercise 14.3 is name any two figures that have both line symmetry and rotational symmetry. Name any two figures. They are not saying you any polygons or what. So, as if we can answer, one can be square and another can be circle, or either you can write by yourself also. Next is draw wherever possible a rough sketch of a triangle with both line and rotational symmetries of order more than one. We know there is only one triangle who has line symmetry also more than one. Similarly, it will be having rotational symmetry of order more than one. So you people will draw in this part, its first part. People will draw in this part a rough sketch of which triangle? Equilateral triangle, and these are the line symmetries, and it will be having rotational symmetry also of order more than one. Equilateral triangle. Second is a triangle with only line symmetry but no rotational symmetry of order more than one. Line symmetry. Which triangle has only one line symmetry? It is two sides equal, third side not equal. These two sides are equal. Here will be line. So when you will rotating, only these two sides will come again here only, then only the triangle will overlap, otherwise not. So it is isosceles triangle. Third answer is quadrilateral with rotational symmetry of order more than one but not a line symmetry. A quadrilateral with a rotational symmetry of order more than one but not a line symmetry. It can be, can you people think? I can answer, it can be a parallelogram. You can check also after drawing a parallelogram. Parallelogram has opposite sides equal and opposite sides equal and parallel to each other. So when you will overlap, it will come again here and then again here. It has a rotational symmetry of order more than two, but line symmetry it does not have. So it is a parallelogram. Fourth answer, quadrilateral with line symmetry but not a rotational symmetry of order more than one. Line symmetry is there but not rotational. That can be, you people have used to fly kite, है ना? The same two sides are equal and another two sides are equal, like this is equal to this and this is equal to this. Here we can draw a line symmetry like this, but here rotational symmetry, it is only of order 1. Rotational symmetry is of order 1. They said line symmetry but not a rotational symmetry. Yes, it has a rotational symmetry of order more than 1, but so this figure's name is kite. It is a type of quadrilateral also. Next is, in this answer we can also write isosceles trapezium. You people have not studied that concept, that's why I am not taken here. Isosceles trapezium. Trapezium is having a parallel of side, two pair of parallel sides, then its non-parallel sides are equal, then this trapezium is called isosceles trapezium. And in this trapezium we can draw line symmetry like this, but we cannot have rotational symmetry of order more than one. So there can be two answers, isosceles trapezium or kite. Next question is, if a figure has two or more lines of symmetry, should it have rotational symmetry of order more than one? If a figure has two or more lines of symmetry, should it have a, yes, definitely. Whenever a figure is having two or more line symmetry, it will always be have rotational symmetry of order more than one. You can check also by drawing any rough figure. Now next question is, shape name is given. You need to tell center of rotation, how to take, order of rotation and angle of rotation. I'll solve two examples here and I'll tell you center of rotation for everyone. These two columns you need to fill yourself. First is fourth question. It is square. Center. In quadrilaterals, we usually draw diagonals. So center of rotation can be drawn by midpoint of diagonals. That is where diagonals intersect. Or you can write intersection of diagonals. It will remain the same for rectangle, rhombus, equilateral triangle, irregular hexagon, till this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Till 5 figures, the center of rotation will remain the same. That is, you can write intersection of diagonals. Then, order of rotation. Square has 4 equal sides, so it will be having order of 4. And then you need to find angle of rotation. Divide 360 degree by 4, it is 90 degree. This way you have to solve the table. I'll send you pic of table also. Then it is rectangle. It will remain the same, intersection of diagonals. Order of rotation is 2 and angle is 360 degree divided by 2, that is 180 degree. And for circle and semicircle, I'll tell you here. Circle's center of rotation of circle will be its center only. Center of circle, center of circle, or you can write it midpoint of diameter. This one. Then circle, it's countless. If it is countless, we cannot find its angle. Semicircle, write down here semicircle. Its center of rotation will remain the same, midpoint of diameter. It will be having order of rotation 1, so its angle of rotation will be 360 degree. This way you have to solve. There are next 3 questions are: name the quadrilaterals which have both line and rotational symmetry of order more than 1. You can answer easily, है ना? One is square only, another one you can answer rectangle. Next is, after rotating by 60 degree about a center, a figure looks exactly same as its original position. At what other angles will this happen for the figure? The question that we have discussed in previous video. If a figure order of rotation 1 is at 60 degree, they have said, first after rotating 60 degree about a figure looks exactly same as original first angle. Then second will be 60 degree multiplied by 2. Third will be 60 degree multiplied by 3. Fourth, similarly here. Second angle is 120. Third angle is 180. Similarly, fourth angle 240. Then fifth angle 300 degree. And then sixth angle 3. Till the time you are not getting 360 degree, you need to find out angles. First angle multiplied by 1, second angle by 2, multiplied by 3, multiplied by 4, multiplied by 5, multiplied by 6. So firstly figure will look similar at 60 degree, then at 120 degree, 180 degree, 240, 300 and 360 degrees. These are the other angles of rotation where the figure will look like original. Next question we have, can we have a rotational symmetry of order more than 1 whose angle of rotation is 45 degree and 17 degree? There is a simple way to go for this. What is the simple way? Whatever the angle is given, order is equals to 360 degree divided by angle of rotation. So 360 degree divided by 45 degree. है ना? 360 degree divided by 45 degree gives the answer 8. So it means order of rotation is 8. But for second part, it is 360 degree divided by 17 degree. Now you people divide it here. If it is getting divisible properly, then the answer is yes. Otherwise, the answer is no. Like here we will write yes. You will divide like this. 360 degree divided by 17. 17 2s are 34. 20. 17 1s are 17. 3 is the remainder. There is a remainder. So no. no any figure will have 17 degree as its angle of rotation because it is not divisible by 360 degree. Go for the questions and solve in your notebooks. For this particular question, I'll send you pic of solved table also. Thank you.